Stages in a case study method of data collection. Stages in a method of data collection. Everybody should know about the case study method. Case, in-depth detailed analysis of particular subject or topic or event or single program that can be analyzed thoroughly through this case study method. Particularly, case study method is applying in police department or investigation department, Central Bureau of Investigation and the State Bureau of Investigation. They are using, and police personnel also using to narrate about the single incident or single program through this first information report. So case study is nothing but clear, detailed investigation of the selected topic. That is called as case study method. In this case study stage, there are several stages. According to researchers, stages classified into 5. First one is choice of a case or selection of a problem. In this case study method, first research scholar he should select choice of a case and selection of a problem. Without choice of a case, without selection of a problem, there is no way to analyze about the data. That is case study. And second one is description of the events. Whatever research topic or case regarding this issue that must be explored, analyzed by the scholar. That must be explored, analyzed by the scholar through these events. And third stage of case study method of data collection is factors influencing study. What are the factors influencing? Whoever availability to gather information from the respondents, they should know about they should know more information from them, and they should try to analyze about the data through this factors influencing study. Next one, fifth one of data collection stage is data processing. Fourth one is data processing. So whatever information collected from the respondents through this case study method, data processing. And fifth stage of data collection, after collection of data and after processing, there is data recording. In this case study method, whatever evidences, whatever sources collected from the respondents, so these must be recorded. So according to researchers.